Aguas de Alicante, much more than water. At Aguas de Alicante, we have always considered management of the water cycle to be a basic priority need for the citizens we supply and fundamental for the development of cities whose municipalities lack their own water resources. Aguas de Alicante was launched in 1898, the year which saw the inauguration of a water supply to the city of Alicante using water from Sax, a small town about 50 kilometers inland. In 1953, Alicante City Council took the policy decision to unite public service and private initiative, and with the support of the managerial capacity of the Agbar Group, the first private operator in Spain, the joint venture Aguas Municipalizadas de Alicante was created. In collaboration with the respective municipalities, Aguas de Alicante is responsible for managing the entire water cycle, not only in the city of Alicante, but also in San Vicente del Raspeig, San Juan de Alicante, El Campello, Montfort del Cid and Petrer. Furthermore, we mustn't forget the milestone represented by connecting the island of Tabarca to a water supply via submarine pipelines. Cutting-edge water technology and development are key to the prestige which Aguas de Alicante has gained with the help of partner companies such as Labacqua, the most highly regarded laboratory in the sector, Emarasa, a wastewater treatment company, and especially Aqualogy SA, the leading global provider of integrated solutions for the water sector. Aguas de Alicante is divided into different district boards responsible for efficient management of the urban water cycle in the municipalities which we supply. As both an institution and a company, our commitment to society is twofold. This dual role allows us to distance ourselves from purely commercial criteria, prioritizing public service and joint progress in all our daily actions. Technical and operational management. Alicante and its surroundings are supplied with the vital source of life that is water from the Tajo Segura water transfer system via the Taibia Channel, as well as boreholes in the Vinalopó River Basin and water from desalination plants. The cycle begins with the purification or desalination of water using very technically advanced processes in order to obtain safe quality water which must reach all populations in optimum conditions. Water is stored in strategically located reservoirs, allowing us to guarantee supply to the population for several days. The drinking water supply network consists of more than 2,300 kilometers of pipeline. Aguas de Alicante possesses computerized water supply systems and the latest water supply technology, the information necessary to determine drinking water quality and to act remotely and accurately, is sent in real time to the remote control system from over 180 remote stations equipped with data transmission systems. With over 750 kilometers of sewers, this second part of the entire water cycle requires the same care as the drinking water supply network. Maps provide detailed information about this second town beneath a city made up of collectors, sewers, manholes, valves, pumps, and other control and operation components. As an ENAC, the Spanish National Accreditation Agency accredited inspection agency, in accordance with international standard ISO 17020, Aguas de Alicante is equipped to monitor industrial waste in collaboration with the public authorities, detecting and analysing it and advising companies on how to improve discharge of their waste into the sewerage network. Drinking water is intended primarily for human consumption. Many of the other essential demands that arise in urban areas are met by water obtained from sewage water reclamation. With the realization of this project, Aguas de Alicante has completed and closed the entire water cycle in accordance with the principles of environmentally sustainable progress and environmental protection. As a water supply concessionaire, Another task which has been entrusted to Aguas de Alicante is the implementation and coordination of water infrastructure works carried out in the municipalities supplied. Some of the most important of these include a reutilized water network and reforestation in the southwest of Mount Benacantil, Alicante. The modification of the main sewage collector route between Alfonso El Savio Avenue and Calvo Sotelo Square. Aguas Municipalizadas de Alicante has recently completed the construction of the anti-pollution reservoir in the San Gabriel neighborhood, with a final budget of almost 15 million euros. This project will significantly reduce the overflows to the environment that occur during episodes of heavy rain and represents a major hidden infrastructure in the city. The Aguas de Alicante management system integrates the requirements of ISO 9001 quality management systems, ISO 14001 environmental management systems, and OSAS 18001 occupational risk prevention management system in a single model. Aguas de Alicante boasts its own R&D and I department, responsible for developing projects and services using the latest technologies and deploying them in all fields of action. Among these, we can highlight the YCAST application, vital in predicting atmospheric conditions. The CIPAID project, which has made it possible to obtain an integrated prevention and warning system for floods and sewage overflow into the receiving environment. COAMA, a comprehensive seawater quality management system aimed at minimizing, preventing, and real-time monitoring of the problems associated with environmental contamination due to sewage discharge. This information can be consulted on any device and on information screens located at Postiguet Beach, the Lagoon, and San Juan Beach. Metresa, a software package that facilitates decision-making regarding the rehabilitation of sewerage systems by performing a full diagnosis of the network in order to determine the actions required for rehabilitation using the most appropriate techniques. The Galia system for advanced sewer cleaning management, and ice pigging, an innovative pipeline cleaning system which uses liquid ice, among many others. In the field of leak detection, we can highlight the Hydrolock project and a robot which repairs pipelines from the inside, avoiding the kind of surface works that are very inconvenient for citizens. Through AGBA, Aguas de Alicante forms part of the International Water Association, which undertakes research and examines practice in all stages of the water cycle. In addition, we are part of the R&I Alliance Research Consortium, composed of leading companies in the world of water such as Suez Environment, AGBA, Northumbrian Water, United Water, and Lyonnaise des Eaux. Customer relations. Customers have three customer service channels. Offices providing face-to-face service because direct contact makes all the difference. A free telephone hotline. With one call, customers can carry out all the necessary transactions. An online office. From their home or place of work, customers can carry out all the necessary transactions 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. In line with increased demand, at Aguas de Alicante, we have established 5 commitments to our customers. Water supply contract within 24 hours. Response to complaints within a maximum period of 10 working days. Accurate invoicing. Rectification of any errors within a maximum period of 5 days. Warning of excess consumption, immediate communication. Disruption to service. Interruption to service will not exceed 4 hours. These commitments require us to use the latest cutting-edge technologies in this sector. Remote meter reading and on-site billing are already being carried out. Aguas de Alicante collaborates closely with local councils and their departments in sustainability, social and environmental awareness campaigns and educational campaigns aimed at all citizens with the aim of encouraging their active participation in the social and business fabric of municipalities providing added value to the management or supply of services rendered. One of our greatest assets is the Alicante Water Museum, a dynamic organization where themes and content are adapted to the needs of the moment in order to provide an enriching aquatic experience for all visitors. Human Resources Department. At Aguas de Alicante, we have taken measures to ensure the compatibility of work with family and personal life. These include flexible working hours, childcare allowance, disability allowance, adapted working hours, and paid leave, etc. We also have an equality plan which guarantees real and effective equal opportunities for women and men within the company. This has led to recognition from the Alicante Local Development Agency for our role in awareness raising and implementation of equal opportunity measures. Legal Department. Aguas de Alicante has a legal department that ensures that all aspects of the entire water cycle are in strict compliance with the current legal framework. Key honours and awards. Due to this series of actions carried out by Aguas de Alicante, we have received several important awards, among which are the following: the title of Model Business in Social Security, the Sustainable City Award, the Aquacivit Award, the Suez Grand Prix de l'Innovación Award 2009 for the Hidroloc project, the Best Services Company Award 2008 from the Alicante Chamber of Commerce, the Important Award from the Diario Información, a local daily newspaper, the Green Business Award 2010, the Innovation Award from GDF Suez SA. Aguas de Alicante owes its success to the expertise and efforts of many professionals. The objectives the company has achieved demonstrates the hard work of its management and employees who strive each day to improve the supply of this basic commodity, water. Only in this way, and by making a joint effort, can Aguas de Alicante continue to evolve and achieve new goals, whilst maintaining its commitment to society and managing its financial resources efficiently. Aguas de Alicante, much more than water.